and welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore interesting advanced figures which we build from basic figures, and today we will look at Zigzag, outside swivel and promenade pivot. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So basic outside swivel, man dances with left foot back, leads lady to swivel, and then usually we continue with feather ending. Now we will add before outside swivel zigzag actions, and we will finish outside swivel also differently. Man starts with left foot back to side, forward outside partner to side. Now he leads lady in outside swivel. After that we will dance promenade pivot. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us zigzag and outside swivel. Romance starts with left foot back to side, forward outside partner to side, back leading Violetta in swivel, and then promenade pivot. Let's look again. Notice how we change outside steps from right side to left side. Slow and slow and slow, quick, quick. Very good. And let's look once again from different angle. And slow and slow and slow, quick, quick. And now we will add bounce fallaway before zigzag. So man starts with left foot forward, slow and quick, quick, slow and slow and slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look from another angle. So we dance bounce fallaway, then zigzag, then outside swivel and promenade pivot. And now let's look at figures we will continue after promenade pivot. We will dance heel pull, and then 3-step ending, continued by feather step. Let's look from opposite angle. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's put together what we have. We will start with bounce fallaway, then zigzag, outside swivel with promenade pivot, heel pull, 3-step ending and feather step. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. Slow and quick, quick, slow and slow and slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at figures we will dance in beginning of our today's choreography. We will dance a running feather and reverse pivot, continued by drop fallaway and slip pivot. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Notice how in drop fallaway we dance ronde with the free leg. And now we will add one more figure in beginning, which is a running finish. We dance a running finish, then a running feather with reverse pivot, then drop fallaway ronde and slip pivot. And now let's look from another angle and with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. And now let's put together our today's choreography. So we start with a running finish at a corner, continue by a running feather with reverse pivot, then drop fallaway, ronde with slip pivot, bounce fallaway, zigzag, outside swivel at a corner, promenade pivot, heel pull 3-step ending and feather step. And now let's look at choreography from another angle and with teaching count. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.